Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day, noon, night, whatever time you're watching this. Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought to do a challenge and I haven't done something really makeup related for a long while. So I wanted to mix the two of them. So I'm today doing the alphabet makeup challenge as you read from the title. Now it's quite the hype right now in the makeup community. Now if you don't know what is the alphabet makeup challenge, now instead of the way we do makeup like a normal procedure, primer, foundation, concealer, etc, we're supposed to do the makeup alphabetically wise with the A's, then the B's, and the C's, and the D's, something like that. Right? You think makeup. I thought why not, the challenge is different, so I thought to try the purple halo eyes effect using the skin. So yeah, so without making this intro any longer, let's get into the video. So really 4 to 5 steps. So I'm trying to go all bougie today and try to do a big 10-12 step makeup look. So it's going to be a little difficult. So let's see how this goes. So the first thing we start is from A. We don't have anything from A, so we're gonna go with B. And first thing we do with B is baking. Now baking usually happens when you're done all your makeup. The base is done, then you do baking, but they have to do baking it. So yeah, so let's start with baking.
In your eyes, there's a heavy blue. Want to love and want to lose. Sweet divine, a heavy truth. Water and wine, don't make me choose. I wanna feel the way that we did that summer night. Drunk on a feeling, alone with the stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle.
Okay, so I tried to do some baking. I tried, but it did not happen. So till then, we're gonna go to the next step. I'm gonna quickly dust this off. I'm going to quickly dust this off and then use the blush. Now I'm thinking of using a cream blush rather than a powder brush, then only it's going to stay a while. So I'm going to start with the cream blush. With the B's, now we go on to the C's. And the first thing when I do in C is the concealer, something finally. So we're gonna go on to the concealer.
Trace my skin.
I'm done with the concealer. It's too much concealer. So after concealer, we're gonna go inside with the compact. I'm done with the powder. Not too much powder. I'm contouring. So again, I'm going to use a cream product so that I can have a better emphasized contour.
To places I've never been. Blindly I'm following. Break down these walls and come on in. I wanna feel the way that we did that summer night.
So I'm done with the contouring. Not very emphasized contouring, just a little bit contouring. With the C's, then we don't have anything with the D's, I suppose. I don't do anything that is D in it. Then we have B, C, D, E. Now we have E. The first thing we're going to do with E is the eyeshadow. Now today I thought to go a little experimental and I thought of doing something that matches my dress. Then again, I'm wearing a multicolored dress. So the one color I thought I would do is purple. Something purple and glittery. So I'm going to start with that.
Drunk on a feeling, alone with the stars in the sky.
eyes by doing a very thick liner and a very bad wing. What can we do? I don't have anything, so I'm gonna quickly bottle that is F, that is foundation, and clear up all the mistakes that I have.
Down the darkest alleys of the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you. I put my love in every stranger, took too much easy, all for you, yeah.
Foundation, I like how, not really, but yeah, okay. Edge straight away, and that goes for highlight, one of my favorite parts.
I've been running through the jungle, I've been crying with the wolves to get to you, to get to you, to get to you. Drunk on a feeling alone with the stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle.
Okay, so we are done with almost everything right now, and we're gonna go last part that also starts from L, that's lipstick. So I quickly line my lips. I've already primed them.
Been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. I've been down the darkest alleys of the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you.
Primer. Now I'm not stupid enough to put primer and ruin my whole face. So I'm just gonna, and then after that comes setting spray. So I have this DIY spray which kind of works like the matte prep and prime fix. So I'm gonna do that. And that's it. I'm done with the makeup look. I'm just gonna do something with my hair and be right back. So this is the final look I did, and I did tried to do some French braiding thing. I don't know what this hairstyle is called. I saw it on Pinterest and I found very cool. So I did this, so it's kind of like my hair is open but it's out of my face, and I went on to put on some big golden hoops because I think it matched with the look. So yeah guys, this is the final look. And this is the final look guys. I hope you guys like the look. If you did, you know the drill. Hit the like button and on the subscribe button and press on the bell icon so that every time I post a video you can get a notification, and comment down below if you like this look or not, or what do you want to see next. And even if you don't like this video or this look, and if you think I failed it really badly, comment down below and let me know. So yeah, so hope to see you guys next time real soon. Thank you. Bye. Love you guys. Toodles!